So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create swim lanes in Microsoft Planner. So the first thing you want to do once you open up your Microsoft Planner account is go to the left side of the screen. So you will see my day, my tasks, my plans, and my portfolios. So through my plans, you can see a layout similar to this one. So you can see a simple plan, fields, new name and stuff like that, something that I've added. And in order to create swim lanes, and basically swim lanes are just categories for a flowchart that gives you a better idea of which processes or sub-processes are going to be allocated to which participants. So it gives you a kind of a better idea of who's doing what. And there isn't a direct way that you can create swim lanes. So let's just open one of the plans. So it's going to look something like this. You can do it through buckets. So buckets are these titles of the category of tasks that's in each plan. So right now it says in progress, up next, and backlog. These are all buckets, and you can categorize them. So instead of blocked, for example, I'll just type in here for group 2, and on there I'm just gonna add tasks for that group particularly, and I can see what they're doing in this plan, so I have a better idea of which group is doing what. Then you can even overlap tasks, so if it's in progress, it can be in group 2 as well, so you have just a better idea of one task is categorized by a couple of different buckets. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.